Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the brightness or completely turn off the light on your Xbox Series X controller. So you can see it right here. This is just a normal controller. With the Elite it's going to be a little bit different. So on the home screen we want to go to Settings, then scroll on down to Accessibilities, and then go on over to Night Mode and turn on Night Mode. Then we can go on down to Controller Brightness right here and choose this. And we can go to Customize Brightness. So if we have night mode on, we want to go down to the bottom. Otherwise, we can go to the default brightness. And we can adjust this. And if we go all the way to the left, it's going to be off. But you can see on my controller, it's turning on. So there's really no point to have this on all the way. Probably just want it like that so you save a little bit more battery. So you can adjust this easily in night mode. And it looks like it's at 20% right here. And you can do the same thing with your Xbox Series X. So if the light is way too bright, we can just adjust it or turn it off. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. More tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.